doon namin unti-unti na-realize na hindi dapat mawala yung hearty mix kahit anong mangyari.
Siya po ang nakikipagtimbangan, siya ano ng mga classification ng mga gulay. It took her about a week to get a business name dahil lahat ng mga names na gusto namin were all taken na.
Lahat yung moment siguro ng sleepless nights, na-witness ng family ko yan.
Good enough, I was able to come up with the mixture. To our surprise, the blockages were gone.
So with what happened do sa lola ko na parang 30 days lang na gumaling siya.
Well, out of gratitude to the mixture and of course, una, kay Lord, gawa ka na lang, tapos bilhin na lang namin sa'yo.
That's how it came to be born.
Tapos ang daming mga naging continuous na client testimonies. These past 10 years, hindi nawala yung mga loyal customers namin. Like now that we're being helped by professionals, na-enjoy ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Kung kailan nila gusto, kailan nila kailangan, merong hearty mix na abot kaya. And sa amin naman, sa kumpanya, lagi namin tinatry to give them additional value.
Hi, I'm Nat Gomez and this is my wife, Luz.
Hello.
It started when I read an article that ginger, garlic, cider, honey, and lemon can cure blockages in the veins and also those who have heart problems. And I told Mamsi about it.
Yeah, because during that time, my mother-in-law, Dalice Gomez, had some heart concerns, like she had 5 blockages, and doctor recommended that she undergo angioplasty. And at that time, I think we were told that it would cost something like 1.2 to cover all the expenses in the hospital, the professional fees, the materials needed, the medicines. So the siblings, the Gomez siblings, were already preparing for what the mom would need in the hospitalization. But then while we were talking about those ingredients, coming up with a concoction of all those 5 ingredients, and I had to do them manually. Good enough, I was able to come up with the mixture, which we introduced to Mama, and which it took for 30 days. And it's just very fortunate that my in-laws are very receptive to suggestions when it comes to medication. So they'll take anything just so they can be cured, they can be treated. So then religiously, the yaya, the caregiver, gave her hearty mix 30 ml every morning before breakfast, 30 minutes before breakfast. And that was religiously for 30 days. And then in 30 days, she had to undergo an angiogram at the AUF, the Angeles University Foundation Hospital. And to our surprise, the blockages were gone. And the doctor told Daddy,
Good as new, good as brand new.
the arteries were good as brand new. They were so clean. The blood was free flowing. And of course, we were so glad about
He
it.
showed me the angiogram and all the 5 blockages were gone. So to the surprise of Mama, she bought a bucket of Jollibee and gave the nurses. She
Not
can
only a
join.
bucket, I think 2 buckets.
Yeah.
And then from then on, well, out of gratitude to the mixture and of course, una, kay Lord, started sharing the mixture left and right to my friends, to my family. But when they see the ingredients and the procedure that they have to take, it was as if it was a very tedious job. And they just requested me to prepare it and told me, okay, gawa ka na lang, tapos bilhin na lang namin sa'yo. And which I did. And of course, I started with my own family because I have big brothers, really big, which I think at that time, even if they didn't have any heart problems, at that point, I think they just need to undergo some cleansing in their arteries using the mixture. And when I had them taste it. Of course, it really didn't taste that good. Imagine the mixture of ginger juice and garlic juice with apple cider and lemon and honey. But then, if you think about the benefits, you just have to take it. So at the start, looking back, Genevieve would laugh at it because I really sterilized those empty bottles from oyster sauce, from soy sauce. I mean the bottles, not the plastic ones. So they come in different sizes. And then she was asking me, how come they had different prices? Because the pricing was per ml. Per ml because they came in different sizes and shapes. And then gradually, maybe by word of mouth, well, orders started coming in. Tapos,
We started with friends,
yeah, and relatives.
especially the one from Pampanga. Genevieve and I went to that friend, a lady. She had
Friend of a friend.
3 blockages and a cancer survivor. After a month of drinking Hearty Mix,
I think only 18 days.
the blockages were gone.
That fast.
Then there's a friend of our brother in a community. He also had 3 blockages. He's just only 33 years old. After a month drinking the Hearty Mix, the blockages were gone. And everything went well, smoothly. That's how it came to be born.
So whenever
Hearty Mix.
we hear of patients having to undergo angioplasty or surgery, or maybe even just simple problems, coronary problems, we try to reach out to them and introduce Hearty Mix. Hearty Mix because primarily it's for the heart. Hearty. And not only that, hearty because, first of all, the ingredients were all
Good
from
for the heart.
natural sources, no synthetics. So it's really hearty. Just like a hearty meal, so it's a hearty mix.
And then later on, Genevieve discovered that there are other effects that Hearty Mix cured in a person's body.
Yeah, in some of the customers.
And she documented all of this.
Like some had lower cholesterol levels, creatinine, and some even
Veins in the legs.
yeah, even the joints had some improvements. So we just can't really ignore the good
Benefits.
effects, the benefits.
Genevieve would like to let the poor ones use it in a very affordable price. That's how it came to be.
Well, it came to a point when some of Daddy's friends cannot really afford it. Without our knowledge, he was giving them out for free and paying them to Genevieve.
So ano po yung mga challenges na pagdaanan nyo kasi may mga tao po na nakahilikan kape?
Mhm.
Ano po yung mga challenges?
Definitely.
In my case, nobody contradicted me because they knew me. They know I used it. I've been using it for about 8, 9 years already. And they can see me, how active I am. And nobody went against me. And I told them it's very effective. They tried it. Kasi nakikita nila sa akin. They won't believe me if I'm fat, I'm yung hinihingal. They see me fit, very active, and very strong. Kaya sold ka agad.
In my case, syempre, it cannot be avoided din. Like what I told you earlier, dahil dun sa lasa niya, yung iba cannot tolerate yung taste of garlic with the other ingredients. But now, Genevieve, with the help of a friend, food technologists, they're trying to improve on the taste. So they can temper the taste of the garlic. Well, they're trying to look for some ways on how it can be more acceptable. And then yung iba naman, because it comes in liquid form, when they go travel like abroad, we still have to look for some ways on how we can make it more handy and safe na hindi ano ba. Kasi
Spill.
yung kanyang botelya, minsan may tendency hindi mo alam with the pressure, baka mag-leak o ano. All of that is being looked into.
I have a classmate in high school who visited us about 3 years ago and asking me about this hearty mix. Nung matikman niya, he liked it and he ordered I think 8 bottles and brought it in the USA. After about 2 months, he called me up. Classmate, ubos na yung aking mga hearty mix. I told him, only 25 to 30 ml per day. No, ginamit ko sa dressing ko sa salad. Ang sarap sabi niya. Oh, that's good, sabi ko. Sabi niya, pag uwi ko, I'm gonna buy again. Okay, sabi ko. And he is super fit. I would like to warn yung iba, kasi may mga gumaya dito. And so expensive. Hindi yun ang tunay na hearty mix. Just check check sa Shopee and check sa link nila. Hearty mix. That's the original one. Our message. I-try nyo muna to for 1 month. Bago kayo mag-try, magpa-blood chem kayo, lahat patingnan nyo para makita nyo yung resulta. And then drink it for 1 month every morning. Tapos after a month, magpa-check up kayo and see the difference.
I also have something to say. Because one of our clients before challenged Hearty Mix. For the duration of the time that he took Hearty Mix, inalis lahat ng mga gamot niya. Which was so scary. Well, it's only the doctor who can tell you when to lessen or when to change or when to stop your medication. So we tell them that when you start on Hearty Mix, you go on with your maintenance medicines. And then when conditions improve, the doctor can tell you which medicines can be changed or can be reduced.
Hello po, ako po si Genevieve Gomez, anak po nila Nathaniel and Lucia Gomez.
Kwento natin how you came into the picture. Ngayon, nung pinaresign namin siya from her job, we thought of asking her to take over yung production, of course I was still there, pero especially yung sa marketing ng kasi mas bihasa sila sa at that time, nagtatrabaho po siya sa Manila for a food company, and the nature of her job is on sales, and medyo po inaalala namin siya whenever she goes out of town. She goes to Batangas, to south of Manila. So, lalo na, wala pa po siyang car plan noon. She had to take the bus. Minsan daw to go to the client, magji-jeep pa siya, magta-tricycle. So, parang awang-awa naman po ako sa kanya noon. So, ang sabi ko sa kanya, anak, mag-resign ka na lang kaya. Mag-invento na lang tayo ng maninegosyo mo. And during that time, Daddy was into vegetable farming, and she would plant hectares of papayas, ampalaya, upo. Talaga pong by nature, talagang mabait ito sumunod naman. And nag-resign siya, and then umuwi siya dito. Ang mapagawa lang ni Daddy nun sa kanya, whenever buyers from Divisoria would come, siya po ang nakikipagtimbangan, siya ng mga classification ng mga gulay, and then she'd even go with the buyer sa truck para malaman niya kung saan dinadala yung mga produkto. Ganun po nag-umpisa ang
Sumasakay pa siya sa truck.
Sumasakay pa siya sa truck. Nung eventually, na-realize din namin na siguro much more can be done with Hearty Mix if we got her involved. Ganun naman ang nangyari dahil in some ways, medyo like minsan pag may nabalitaan sila ni Daddy na nangangailangan, the two of them would go to the patient as introduce nila yung Hearty Mix. Minsan nga, yun nga dahil nga may sakit na, so bibigay pa nilang libre. Buti lang, mura-mura pa po nun ang gasolina. And they'll go as far as Pampanga or dito sa Tarlac, just so mapaabot nila yung hearty mix. So mula noon, when she got involved, parang nag-improve, like pati yung packaging namin, tapos nagpa-business name na siya. Well, pati po yung aming, yung business name niya, which is Flavor of Love Food Products, it took her about a week to get a business name dahil lahat ng mga names na gusto namin were all taken na. Kasi national lang clearing ng mga pangalan. Hanggang sa, sabi ko nga sa kanya, talagang yung paggawa ko nun sa mother-in-law ko, yung pag-process ko nung first run na yon talaga was all done manually. Kasi nga, ayokong gamitin yung aking juicer. Sabi ko, baka maiwan yung lasa ng bawang at saka luya. Hindi ko na magamit dun sa mga ibang fruits na ginujuice namin. So, imagine, i-juice mo yung ginger, yung garlic manually. Pagkatapos po nun, talagang ang tawag doon, may bakbak.
Nalapnos.
Nalapnos yung aking mga palad. But then, naman yon, madali namang gamutin yon. And what really mattered at that time, yung nakatulong sa mother-in-law ko. Ngayon, yun nga, going back, yung pag-involve ni Genevieve, in-improve na niya yung packaging,
Food
yung
and
labeling, tapos nagparehistro na siya sa food and drugs.
Pina-check yung nagpagawa ng sarili na niyang place, facilities.
Yung kanyang food lab. And then we also went to DOST in Bikutan para nga sana ma-improve yung like we were looking into the pag-encapsulate ng pag-powder and then gagawing capsules, ganun. But then somewhere along the way, ewan ko kung sila nagka-problema, kami nagka-problema, hindi na push through yun. Pero ngayon, pinapursue namin yung pa rin, how hearty mix can be more conveniently handled, ganun. Hintayin lang po natin yon.
Yun. So when I came into the picture, since I came from a food company, na-realize ko na lahat pala na pinagdaanan ko doon, natutunan ko from marketing, sales, warehouse, merchandising, general trade, sa mga palengke. Lahat pala yun makakatulong sa magiging journey, paano ma-improve yung hearty mix. At syempre sa mga taong nakasama ko na ngayon nagbibigay sa akin ng mga advice when it comes to, kasi gumawa na ako ng sarili kong brand. Ayun, just really thankful to God na parang dinirect niya isa-isa pero without me knowing yon in the process. Parang lang siya, trust lang talaga sa kanya na dadalhin niya ako and yung family namin sa mas mabuting kalagayan, tsaka mas mabuting, siguro mas mapalawak pa namin yung hearty mix talaga. Ayun, thankful kami na these past 10 years, hindi nawala yung mga loyal customers namin. Tuloy-tuloy silang bumibili. Or kung yung mga tumigil man, yun ay dahil sobrang lakas na nila. Pero yun nga, isang patunay na isang matatag na brand ay yung mga tao continuously bumibili. Kahit through the years, syempre hindi maiiwasan, magtaas ng kaunti yung presyo. Pero hindi sila umaaray. Tuloy-tuloy namang nagbebenta. And sa amin naman, sa kumpanya, lagi namin tinatry to give them additional value. Sa bawat pagtaas, pinag-iisipan namin yung presyo na yun. Like, ano ba nag-improve sa product? Dapat merong improvement bago magtaas talaga yung presyo. Dapat laging reasonable pa rin kasi nga ang goal ay ultimately in 5 years, 2031, to reach 5 million families, Filipino families dito sa Philippines, and in 10 years sa whole Asia Pacific region. And we're really aiming for that kasi ang daming Pilipino hindi talaga ma-afford yung sobrang mahal na mga hospitalization, doctor's fees, or ultimately hindi kaya ng oras nila dahil limited na lang yung natitira sa kanila. So with what happened sa lola ko na parang 30 days lang na gumaling siya, tapos ang daming mga naging continuous na client testimonies, doon namin unti-unti na-realize na hindi dapat mawala yung hearty mix kahit anong mangyari. Kaya ginol talaga ako, talagang sinabi ko sa sarili ko, this product should last at least 100 years. Kahit mawala na kami, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung product. And we hope na talagang mas maraming tao ang magtiwala at maniwala sa power of nature's healing talaga.
Ano po yung pinaka-memorable yung sa 10 years na yun?
Ayun, so for the past 10 years, sobrang memorable sa akin each time kapag mayroon ako client na babalikan or may magte-text or tatawag sa amin na kakagaling ko lang sa doktor pero gumaling na ako. Sabi niya hindi ko na daw kailangan magpa-opera kasi hindi na ako kailangan buksan ng doktor, hindi na namin kailangan gumastos. Maraming salamat pa sa product niyo. And yun, yung each moment na yun, hindi lang yun once, hindi lang yun twice. Sa past 10 years ng paggawa namin ng Hearty Mix, ang dami ng instances na ganun, hindi lang properly nado-document or nabivideo lahat. Kasi may iba due to insurance claims daw nila, hindi pwede silang for testimonies. Pero yun, lahat, yung moment siguro ng sleepless nights, na-witness ng family ko yan, yung paggawa, ganyan. Kasi hindi ko noon ma-delegate sa iba. Like yung ibang parts, for example, yung processing and yung bottling, hindi ko ma-hand sa iba kasi it's too precious for me na i-delegate. Pero ngayon, natututunan na unti-unti. Nag-hire na ng mga tao na professionals how to professionalize the business and patuloy. Madaming mga plano for Hearty Mix as sa expansion niya. Lalo na nagkakaroon na ng clamor for the younger ones, yung mga kaedad ko na 30s, yan, mga trentahin. Lahat sila halos meron ng mga cholesterol concerns, fatty liver, ganyan. And mga friends ko mismo nag-request, pwede ka bang gumawa ng Hearty Mix? Baka pwede yung powdered version o yung mas masarap. Kaya doon ako nagka-idea na, yeah, we need to do more. Kasi yung formula na ginawa ni Mami na ginawa nila ni Daddy, yung formula nilang dalawa, it works para sa mga ka-age nila. Pero, syempre, nag-change ang market, kailangan nating mag-adjust doon. And that's what we're doing to continue the mission. 10 years from now, I really see Hearty Mix sa bawat drugstore nationwide. Bawat probinsya available na mula Apari hanggang Tawi-Tawi. May enjoy ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Kung kailan nila gusto, kailan nila kailangan, merong Hearty Mix na abot kaya at abot presyo na nasa kamay nila. And hopefully, ma-witness namin lahat yon, nandito pa kami. Kasi ang pinaplano naman talaga lagi is for the product to survive and to thrive. At mas marami pa talagang and sana overseas din kasi madaming request ng mga Pilipino. And Filipinos are known to be all over the world. That's what we're aiming for. And maging household name ang Hearty Mix.
Yung the relief that it can give the patient, like yun nga, what happened to Mama, in 30 days, nawala yung 5 blockages. So, if only they can see that, sana yon mabigyan ng suporta itong Hearty Mix. Actually, when we started the Hearty Mix, just like what I told you earlier, no? Readily, I wanted to share it because I wanted it to be just a household remedy. Nagagawin ng housewife, ng ganun lang ang naano ko. Until, hindi pala siya pwede dahil tinatamad naman nilang gawin dahil mahirap gawin. Yung ganon. Dahil they offered me na, gumawa ka, bibili na lang namin sa'yo. Yun ang naging umpisa talaga ng pagiging parang commercial niya. But intentionally, gusto ko lang siya maging home remedy. So, it's a blessing in disguise.
So mostly yung mga nauna naming client, syempre yung mga tito-tita ko. So coming from yung mga, syempre both families namin may mga history ng diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol. So it should start in the family. And sila kasi mismo, na-witness nila yung lola ko gumaling from Hearty Mix. And sila mismo tinry nila. So, gumanda yung mga blood cholesterol levels, ganyan, blood pressure. Yung mga kaibigan din nila, napatry, ganyan. Naging word of mouth lang kami. Hindi kami talaga sa social media before. And may mga clients, ayan, pag nakakwentuhan ni Daddy, like yung dati niyang sa farm namin, nakwentuhan lang niya, tapos pumupunta sila dito to pick up yung product. Until, yun, nakwento niya parang siya mataas ang triglyceride level niya. Like, umaabot ng 1,000 daw. Eh, ang regular is like until 300 lang. Sobrang taas nun. Like, pwede ka nang mawala, ganyan, kasi masyadong mataas. Pero upon drinking Hearty Mix daw, share siya na share sa mga ka-mason niya, ka-eagles, iba't ibang mga organization. Until yung sarili niyang mga empleyado, pinapainom din niya ng Hearty Mix, binibilhan niya. Tapos, isa doon sa mga asawa na empleyado niya, isang masipag na housewife. Sobrang sipag niya, syempre, ang usual na ginagawa ng isang housewife, di ba? Hindi natatapos ang trabaho within 8 to 5 or 9 to 6. It extends hanggang gabi. So, sa sipag ng mga nanay natin, hindi maiwasan yon na nagkakaroon ng sakit sa ugat. Imagine yung hindi daw siya makatulog sa gabi dahil nga sumasakit yung ugat niya. Pero upon taking Hearty Mix, yun lang daw ang nagpapagaling sa kanya, tsaka nakakatulong sa kanyang makatulog na mahimbing. Meron din yung lolo ko, si Lolo Vic. Nung in-interview namin siya, sinabi niya na kundi dahil sa Hearty Mix, baka daw ngayon wala na siya sa mundo. Kasi nagkaroon din siya ng sakit sa puso, mataas ang cholesterol niya. Pero nung nalaman niya yung Hearty Mix, natikman niya, natulungan siya. It's been more than 5 years na tinitake niya yon at
This day.
yeah, to this day, every month, walang poknat, nag-order sila. Yun naman yung pasasalamat din namin sa customer namin. Kasi, kaya nga, ang ganda ng aming marketing noon na word of mouth, yung mga Pilipino, di ba, sinishare nila sa mga kakilala. And pag narinig sa kakilala, doon mostly, mas naniniwala yung iba. Sa aming future clients, ayan, maraming nakadagdag po sa pipeline now that we're being helped by professionals. And unti-unti, we're introducing different experts sa aming company para lalo siyang mag-improve. We will be slowly introducing Hearty Mix na mas affordable, mas masarap, at yes, meron din for all ages na lalabas. Gagawin talaga natin is prevention is better than cure, and tutulungan natin sila lahat to have a healthy lifestyle even at a young age. Hindi na natin kailangan na umabot sa nagpapa-angioplasty or sobrang taas ang cholesterol. Tutulungan natin buong pamilya. Mula kay lolo, lola, tito, tita, nanay, tatay, hanggang sa mga bagets. May Hearty Mix na product silang matatry. Because of Grandma's heart, we started this. And now, 10 years later, we are still here.
It wasn't just a remedy.
Well, it was proof that when love is the main ingredient, you don't give up.
This is the heart that never quits.